ISOKO greetings to you everybody. Welcome to my channel once again. So today I want to make some sentence with letter E. Remember our voice sound is A, E, I, O, or U. So I want to make a sentence with E now. Ireno, that means they are finished. Efonare, it also means they are finished. So you may ask, which one be Ireno, which one be Efonare? Which one that one which language? Efonare, that one Eroa language. Eroa is the senior community in ISOKO land. So Eroa has its own different language. We do speak the ISOKO well normally, okay, but we also have this particular language that the rest ISOKO people cannot understand it. The rest ISOKO people don't understand this Eroa language, but Eroa speak the main ISOKO and they understand it very well. That's why we are the senior. Hello. So let's move on. Ireno or Efonare, it means they don't finish. Maybe the church of because say they give you can't say the things they don't finish. You very want to say Ireno. Ijelo, they were on. Ijelo, they were on. Iyoma, they are not bad. Iyoma. Okay, so this is why I'm going to end my teaching today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram to learn more, and please always remember to like, comment and share. You know what? Someone might be interested to learn, so please share. Okay, because ISOKO language must not die. Never. We must. Understand? Thank you. God bless you as you share, as you drop your comments and like.